a triangle, look at me. I have three sides, 1, 2, 3. I make a tent, a roof, a slice. Triangles are oh so nice. I am a circle, smooth and round, rolling softly on the ground. No sharp corners, not a side, just one loop, enjoy the ride. I am a square, with sides the same, four straight lines in a tidy frame. I'm in a box, a block, a floor. You'll find me in a cupboard door. I am a rectangle, long and wide, like a book or a bus you ride. Two long sides and two that are small. I stand tall on any